This device generates a potent water stream with pressure ranging from 40 to 150 pounds per square inch, effectively cleaning between teeth and below the gum line. An intuitive OLED screen clearly displays the current settings, allowing you to easily choose from 4 distinct modes and 3 pressure levels for a truly personalized cleaning experience. A standout feature is the integrated UVC sterilizer, which ensures the water tank and tips remain exceptionally hygienic by eliminating nearly all bacteria in a 120-second cycle. The generously sized 335 milliliter water reservoir minimizes the need for refills, while the long-lasting 1,800 milliampere-hour battery can power the device for up to 40 days on a single charge. Thoughtful design elements include its IPX7 waterproof rating, making it safe for use in the shower, and a gravity-fed hose that ensures continuous water flow at any angle. This flosser is perfectly equipped for both home and travel, arriving with a set of 8 interchangeable jet tips for various oral care needs and a convenient pouch for storage.